To download VirtualBox, first go to www.virtualbox.org. Click the Downloads link in the left menu. Select the VirtualBox package for your current operating system. For me, I will choose Windows hosts. When the download has completed, go to the download folder and double-click the setup file. Click Next. On this screen, click Next. Now click Yes. Click Yes. Then click Install to begin the process. Click Finish. VirtualBox should open. If not, open it. Now we need to create a new virtual machine with Kali Linux. In the top, click New. This will open the Create Virtual Machine dialog. We need to give the machine a name. For me, I use Kali. And then select Linux from the Type drop-down menu. Next, from the version drop-down, we choose Debian 64-bit. If you use 32-bit, then pick Debian 32-bit, then click Next. Here we need to select how much RAM we want to allocate to this new virtual machine. I have 16 GB on my physical system, and I will select 4 GB. You need to leave enough RAM for your boot operating system. Virtual machine will not use any RAM when you are not using them, but will use hard disk space. Next, I will select 2 processors. You can leave it at 1 processor. After that, click Next. Next screen, we choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Next. Then we click Finish. Now we are ready to go.